Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will see about queue. First is what is meant by queue. Queue is used to or it holds a collections of records for some time. We can create one or more queue. Log in with your Salesforce account. After that, go to setup. In quick find, search here queue. After that, click here new. Write here label. I am right here queue assistant, queue email. I'm right here my email, send email to members. After that, in Salesforce every queue contain two features. First is queue supporting objects and another is queue members. Queue does not support to store the records of all standard object. It supports the record of all custom object and lead, case, feedback, feed request, feedback questions, and performance cycle. And queue members means it is a set of users who can access the record. Here is available member and which is access the queue records. Here I am select object lead. Here is selected object is lead. After that queue members I am select here is the first user, second and third. These three members can access the queue records. After that save. Queue is successfully created. In this way we can create queue in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.